Welcome back to the ultimate guide to building and publishing a Lightfunnel template series. In this video, we'll dive into the Lightfunnels Partners area. As a template designer, the Partners area is your portal to becoming a Lightfunnels partner. Here is how you can access the Partners area. First, click on your profile. Then select Lightfunnels Partners. Here you can find an overview of your template's performance. And here where you'll have all the templates you'll create. Let's try create a new template from here. You'll get this pop-up that gives you two options. The first option allows you to turn an existing funnel into a template. If you've crafted a funnel that's ready to serve as a template, select it and click Next. It will then be added to your templates in the Partners area, where you can fine-tune the template listing, configure the billing, and publish it for review. However, before you proceed, it's important to finish this series with us. We'll guide you through the requirements to ensure your template is prepped and ready to meet the necessary standards to get approved. So, in line with this, in the next video we're going to start fresh. We'll choose the second option and take you step by step through the process of creating a new funnel. Together, we'll lay the groundwork for a template, starting from scratch, setting it up to become a standout offering in the Lightfunnels marketplace.